This is how to plunge a sink by Adam Pennington. Here we go. First thing that's required is you're going to fill up the basin of whatever you're trying to plunge. Same rules apply to plunging a toilet or anything else that you want to get into. See right here, we're going to fill up. And I know it's kind of disgusting to put a plunger in your sink, but hey, do it anyway, and then we can disinfect after we're done. This is going to be the best instrument to unclog your basin. Alright, so I'm going to need my hands free. So as this fills up, we're going to go ahead and, with a downward stroke motion, and then pull up. Won't take anything out that's located inside there. And then once more, down. And pop out. Alright, looks like that's all good and clear. Thank you for watching.